Welcome to Curry TV. On this episode, I'm going to show you one of the recipes that we usually make for their tiffin. This is my son Nithin, and we make variety of tiffin lunches for them to enjoy. So for today, what we're going to be making is a gyro. Gyro is a Mediterranean cuisine, which is you can buy this from your local grocery store. It's actually a combination of beef and lamb, minced meat with herbs. You can bake them, grill them. That is your choice. This is already done. We just had to preheat it or on our skillet, and this is good to go. So what the main ingredients for this is, we need tzatziki sauce, which is a cucumber Greek yogurt with dill. That's this sauce. And you'll also be using pita bread. Now you can make pita bread at home, or you could buy just like how I am doing today from your local grocery store. And we also will be adding few veggies into this, such as lettuce, tomatoes, and slightly thin onions, red onions. So to make that crunch, you could put this iceberg lettuce or any type of your lettuce in ice water. It will just give that extra crunch and just drain it. That's what I did here. So the first thing is to get these babies on the grill or on the skillet. So this is about 15 to 20 seconds for each slice, and that's what we're going to do.
Oh, I love beef.
You love beef, I know. So what do you really like about beef? How do you like your beef?
If it's grilled, I like it. If it's like barbecue, like.
So you like barbecue more often?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else?
I like.
How else do you enjoy your beef?
By like in the past videos, my mom showed us a recipe for beef bolitida. It's also one of my favorites. Man.
I know. He has some sort of weakness in the beef. But so for right now, I'm just going to heat these up as according to the package instruction, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we got the meat ready. I just reheated the pita bread. You could do this in an oven or on the stove top. That's what I did. And I got all the veggies ready. Nithin, do you want to open up your tzatziki sauce?
Yeah.
Just slide this out.
Oh.
You gotta give it a good whirl. This is your pita bread. We turn it inside out, and we take the strips that we just did them. And how many do you want?
2.
2 is enough? There's only these 2?
Or 3.
I usually put 6 for you guys.
Oh, then 6.
6. Okay? I'll show you something. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the onion and the lettuce and just pile it up. Okay? You could wrap this in an wax paper, which is easier to handle. Those juices seems to ooze out, but you don't like so much onion, right?
No.
Just a little bit, okay? And then few tomatoes. Okay, that's that. Okay, take a dab of a generous amount of the tzatziki sauce because that's what you like the most. You always ask for more. This is the magic one. Now you know. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then what we do is take a pinch of the paprika and just a little bit, because you guys like a little bit of heat in yours. Okay, you could do pickled cucumber. That would be fine too. And we're all done. All you do is wrap it up and enjoy. That's right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
That's the pita bread.
And then a generous amount of.
Generous.
Yes. It's like enough to like feed.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
And when you reheat these, you don't want it crisp. It should be soft because it's already minced meat and there's enough of fat in there to all that flavors to come out.
I'm going to do something a little bit different, but the same thing.
Okay.
I'm going to take this first.
Okay.
Okay. Just drizzle some over. Make sure it's like everywhere coated.
Okay. Now the reason why I didn't do this is because by the time if you're going to eat this right now, that's not a problem. But if you're going to wait a few hours, the yogurt will sink into the pita bread and it will be so soggy. That's why I added the veggies on top.
I knew that. That's why I'm so smart. That's why I can eat this.
Yeah, yes. I know you are.
There
okay.
You go.
That's plenty.
And then just take a handful or two. Just drizzle them right there. Maybe like that. Yeah. Good. And then, oh yeah.
You know, you could add fresh cucumber to this. It will give you the nice crunch. Is that all?
Yep.
You're forgetting your secret agent.
Oh yes. And then, my favorite.
Just a tad bit. Not too much. Okay. And then, what do you do?
Hello, food.
You were supposed to show them what you made. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. Very easy to make it in the morning if you want to, or you can make it overnight and get it all ready, packed away. That way it's easier for them to handle, right? I usually pack a couple of these for them when they go for school. I guess I'll let him enjoy and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV.